easy pull. The resistance is set. From the inside, you fill it up with water, and so it spins and you have the resistance from the water on the inside. It has easily adjustable feet straps with heavy duty Velcro. It has an adjustable monitor. Easy fill plug. You pull it out, put your water in there, put your plug back in. You're able to pick it up and move it around with the wheels in the front. It also has a rest so you can stand it up and get it out of the way. It has an easy glide on the seat, which is super smooth. Maxcare. Pretty heavy duty, well built. There is a water level indicator on the side. You put in the amount of water that the resistance that you want. So I would start off at level 1 and then fill it up to see how much resistance you want. And they say if you fill it up past level 6, you actually void your warranty because you could actually break it. So when you're filling it up, start at 1, work your way up and see what you like. Maxcare water rowing machine.